Ready? Start. I am extremely happy to be here this morning in connection with the opening of the post office in a rural area. I immensely thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to share some of the views on the importance of the communication system and particularly the role of post offices in social development. In an ever changing society, the needs and demands of the people are not only changing but also increasing. People want to talk to the people frequently, meet the people on many things. At the same time, the desire to earn more and more, improve one's own social status, and live happily has been increased. To achieve these objectives, people have to communicate with the people living in different places very often. Therefore, steps have been taken by the government to improve a number of facilities for communication: radio, television, computers, telephone, posts, and telegraphs are a few examples. In addition to the above, there are a number of other modern communication facilities available, particularly in all the developed countries. In India, too, some of these modern communication facilities are made available to the people because of growth of science and technology. However, they are accessible only to a few rich. I therefore confine myself to the facilities which are readily available to the majority of the population of India. The present policy of the government is to link all the villages with the telephone facilities by the end of 8th plan. If this is achieved, I am sure it will facilitate the people to discharge their various activities easily and comfortably. A lot of time spent on going and meeting people can be saved. I feel in due course, telephone becomes one of the necessities of the people. I hope the facility will be availed by most of the people in rural areas. In spite of the spread of telephone connections throughout the country, the importance of the post offices cannot be ignored. In fact, post offices come under one of the service organizations. A number of welfare activities are undertaken by the post offices. People can communicate through letters with their friends, relatives, offices, educational institutions, commercial organizations stationed at near and far off places with very less cost. The time taken by the post office is reduced to a few days because of the growth in transportation facilities. Dear Sir, I have received your letter dated 10th February 1992. I am glad to know that you have started an industry in the rural area. Actually, development of rural areas are very much neglected by all the people, though some signs of development in a few areas is seen. By and large, the welfare of the people living in rural areas is very much neglected. In some of the villages, the total population is getting reduced year by year. This is mainly because there are no sufficient educational and vocational facilities. Employment opportunities are also not available in the rural areas. Unless steps are taken to improve these facilities, it would be difficult to retain the people in the villages. I am also told that most of the people are selling their property in the villages and settling down in the towns and cities. The concept of service has not been developed among these educated youth. Yours sincerely.